Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy Solana meme coins on a Solflare wallet. So first of all, you need to go ahead and have some Solana into your assets. So to do this, you will have here a Solana wallet address where you want to go ahead and click receive. And from this QR code, which you can see right there, you're going to copy the address and go to any exchange. So for today, I'm going to use Binance. Once you are on Binance, you're going to click on your assets. And from here, just click on your spot, for example, or you can go ahead and click withdraw. Once you clicked withdraw, select the coin. So the coin would be Solana. Now you're going to enter the address right there, hit the right there, paste it, and you're going to select the network Solana. After that, you will send how much you want to go ahead and withdraw to Solflare. Now, once you will have Solana right there, you want to click on trade. And now you will be able to swap from Solana to some meme coins. So for example, one of the meme coins would be WIF. So you can go ahead and choose it. Choose the amount you want to go ahead and spend. And that's how much you will get. And just click swap, and then you will have it on your Solflare wallet. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.